How to overlay videos in CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can overlay videos in CapCut. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for CapCut. Now look for updates that may be available for this app. If there are updates available, then update the app. If not, then go back to your home page. From your home page, open CapCut application on your device. In CapCut, import the video that you would like to edit, or simply select the video from the existing projects. Once you are in your editing page, at the bottom, select Overlay. Tap on Add Overlay. Now from your gallery, select the photo or video that you'd like to put as an overlay. Once you select it, then it will appear on your video. You can drag it across the timeline to set its time. You can also zoom in or zoom out to adjust the video or photo. If you go back to your main editing page, then the overlay will sit exactly like this. You can click on this icon to view your overlay. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.